Blizzards are severe and potentially life-threatening winter storms, characterized by heavy snowfall, strong winds, and reduced visibility due to blowing snow. They often develop in regions with cold temperatures, and when the conditions are right, they can create treacherous and hazardous situations. The critical factors in the formation of a blizzard include a significant amount of falling or blowing snow, wind speeds of at least 35 miles per hour 56 kilometers per hour, and visibility reduced to a quarter of a mile or less. Blizzards can be localized events or cover large geographic areas, affecting both urban and rural areas. Blizzards pose numerous dangers, particularly for travelers and those living in affected regions. The combination of heavy snowfall and strong winds can lead to snowdrifts that obstruct roads and highways, making travel extremely difficult and sometimes impossible. In severe blizzards, people can become disoriented, and there is a risk of hypothermia and frostbite due to the extreme cold and wind chill. To stay safe during a blizzard, it's important to stay indoors if possible, have emergency supplies on hand, and monitor weather updates. Additionally, local authorities often issue blizzard warnings and advisories to inform the public about the potential hazards and advise them to take precautions.